Salt, major component in all the seasoning in every kind of food that we eat. Sometimes you may have noticed we've eaten some food and we can't put our finger on it, but it just doesn't taste good and we say it's not flavorsome. It could be that there's not enough seasoning, and salt is one of the largest components in our seasoning. So at Tripti Tiffin, we use 3 kinds of salt. We have the sea salt, we have the rock salt, and we have the black salt. So if you look here, I'll go in for a closer look. So this one here, this grainy bit one is sea salt. This one over here is your rock salt, and this one here is your black salt. So sea salt is also called samudri namak. Your over here, your rock salt is also called pahadi or sendha namak, and your black salt is called kala namak. These are multiple good benefits, multiple good things about these salts, and I will also talk you through some of them and tell you in what dishes we use them. So sea salt, till very recently we were only using for our chettinad cuisine. That's our upu curry, that's a mutton chettinad fry, and our milagu cozi masala, which is a pepper masala chettinad pepper chicken. But then what we did is we switched to sea salt for all our dishes. So to let it mix better, we grind this. It's a little coarse here. We grind it to a finer powder and we use it in all our dishes. For rock salt, we that is your pahadi namak or sendha namak, we use it for a Rajasthani jungli mas, and it has its own unique flavor. For black salt, we use it in dishes like pindi chole because it has a slight tanginess to it, such slight sourness to it, which enhances the flavor of the pindi chole. So to walk you through the benefits, just know that all the kinds of salts, they are loaded with minerals, they are loaded with lots of goodness. They help in many things, regulating your BP, your digestion, etc. And it's also great for beauty. So you can use it in things that you drink, you can use it in the food that you eat, you can also use it in your bath water as a bath salt. You can use it as an exfoliator in your hair packs and your face packs. Basically manifold benefits. So I'll just walk you through some. So sea salt has 84 trace minerals, so they add a lot to your diet. It also helps balance your electrolytes, which are magnesium, calcium, potassium and sodium, and thereby one of the direct results is that you reduce muscle cramps, apart from many other benefits. So for skin health, it's great to detox. So you can add it to your nimbu pani, you can add it to even your bath water, and it's a great exfoliator because it's grainy. So you can put it in as a face scrub, as a lip scrub, even as a scalp scrub. It aids in your digestion. It basically, enhances the saliva and the enzymes in your saliva, so it digests your food better. It also keeps you feeling fuller in terms of fluid. So all the fluid that you drink, so it, contrary to belief that it will dehydrate you, it doesn't. And it also helps in the expelling the excess fluid by keeping your sodium potassium balance intact. Quickly moving to rock salt, we all know how it works in digestion, acid reflux, your bad burps. It just really helps. A pinch of black salt in your lassi or in your buttermilk or even nimbu pani. It boosts your metabolism and keeps a fitter you. It helps in regulating your blood pressure. It builds your immunity by adding all of the minerals that are there in it. For reducing the effects of your sinus or a sore throat, you can use it in your steam. So when you're taking steam, you can put in a pinch of rock salt. And also when you're drinking something warm, you can add that. It relieves a sore throat. It helps in weight loss. We all know that, when excess water leaves your system and your metabolism is working great, your food is getting digested better, you will lose the excess weight. Now, there is something called melatonin, which is basically a sleep hormone. So if you, for example, take rock salt or you add it to your bath water, it kind of regulates the production and use of melatonin, thereby giving you better sleep. Then we move to black salt. This is this wonderful dark colored salt. It's this gorgeous thing. So it's great for acidity and bloating. So often when you're feeling bloated after a heavy meal, if you take lemon water with a hefty pinch of this, you'll feel better. It reduces your water retention by leaching out the excess water. It's also great for keeping your blood circulation flow really healthy, and it's a great skin care tool and can be used to exfoliate. It's great for cracked heels for your feet. So when you're doing your home pedicure the next time, just take a bit of this salt and rub it on your heels and all the areas which have cracked skin, and you will see it becoming smoother. So salt, very important. Use of salt, very important. Food is tasteless without this amazing thing. So go ahead and get really excited about salt.